Vacuuming your pool might seem like a Herculean task, but fear not. It's quite straightforward. Once you break it down into steps, uh, it's like sweeping your living room, but wetter. And who doesn't love like splashing a bit while cleaning? Uh, First off, gather your tools. You'll need a vacuum head with brushes, a telescoping pole, a vacuum hose, and a skimmer plate. These are the bread and butter of pool cleaning. A vacuum head costs about $20 online, which is a small price for avoiding algae bloom. Next step, attach the vacuum head to the telescopic pole. It's as easy as assembling Lego. Just snap it in. Check that the vacuum head securely locks in place to avoid awkward fishing trips to retrieve it later. Now, connect one end of the vacuum hose to the vacuum head. Carefully lower it into the pool, allowing it to sink slowly to prevent bubbles. Air in the hose is like trying to drink with a straw full of holes. Once you're submerged, thread the hose underwater from end to end to remove all air. This displaces any pesky bubbles. It takes 2 minutes tops, but pay close attention as this helps create optimum suction. And attach the skimmer plate over the skimmer basket and connect the other end of the hose. Turn on your pool pump and hear that satisfying hum, letting you know suction is ready. It's like transforming into a pool cleaning cyborg. Now start leisurely walking around the pool's perimeter, moving the vacuum head in slow, overlapping sweeps. Imagine you're painting a wall, only you're painting the grime away. 9 out of 10 pool owners agree it's oddly meditative. So tackle those problem areas first, especially ladders, corners, and steps. Algae loves dark corners, like I love coffee, that focus a bit of extra time on those sneaky spots because they accumulate the most debris. For crystal clear water, take a few passes. The first run through gets most filth, but the second reveals those stubborn tiny particles, 2 microns across, that are like the glitter of the pool world. They get everywhere. Don't forget about your filter system. Clean or backwash your filter after vacuuming. It's your pool's version of the of changing the oil, and it'll keep your water circulation smooth and avoid those murky days after. Pro tip alert: schedule a pool cleaning party once a couple of weeks. Music, snacks, and a bit of fun could get others to join in on the work. You'd be surprised how enticing barbecue intervals can make skimming leaves. But after all that, stow away your equipment properly, as damp tools mean a shorter lifespan. Just like in Portland, routine rain doesn't mean leaving your umbrella open indefinitely. Keep everything dry for the next round. Finally, enjoy the payoff. Dive into your now pristine pool. It feels better knowing you tackled a task that increases your pool life by years. Like watching, sci-fi space opera without the overdone tropes. Getting ahead on pool maintenance is like turning a potential algae apocalypse into another episode of Calm Waters.